Hi, hello friends, my name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will create one sample web page using HTML and CSS. Here is my sample web page I was created. Today we will create same using HTML and CSS. Okay, I will create one folder which is name is web and paste two images in this folder, one for background image and other for logo. You can take any images for background and logo. Okay, let's start coding. Open your code editor. This is declaration of HTML. After that, title tag. And give title sample website. After that, link CSS file. My CSS file name is style.css. Using tag, body tag. Okay, first I will create this navigation menu. I will take header tag and div tag for navigation. Name is name. After that, use UL tag. UL tag means list item. Enter tag. This is our first navigation menu, home. After that, services, gallery, about and contact. And just simply copy this and paste. This is services. After that, gallery. About and last one is contact. Close list, another list tag. After that, close div tag. Closing header tag, closing body tag, and HTML tag. So simply save this web folder, index.html. Okay, our navigation menu is displayed in browser. just I want to add CSS for it. And just set universal padding, margin and padding set to 0. And I use font family Century Gothic. After that, CSS for header, background image, set background image, and name of background image is sample. Save it and open in browser. Our background image is displayed. Just set CSS for it. Set to enter background size. Set to cover. It cover all background size. Background position. It's good to look. After that, set CSS for UL tag. For this display in left side, I want to display in right side. Then set float property to right. I want to remove this style. Then simply write CSS property, paste style type is none. And I want to leave margin on top. Then write CSS property, margin top 35 pixels. Look to do. CSS property for list item. I want to display this menu in inline, in horizontally. Display property inline last. Okay, it display in horizontally. Then CSS property for this data. UL tag and live and save. text decoration set to none. It removes the underline. After that, color set to white. For this anchor tag, after that padding 5 pixels, 20 pixels. This is the padding. After that border set to 1 pixel, solid black. After that, rotate to this anchor tag with UL, ULR, 2, 4, 5. Background, color set to color set to black. Okay. Our text is added to our web page. After that, I want to create logo in left side of our web page. Then simply create one div for logo and create here. Div class and class name is of logo is logo. For image type, logo file image is logo. Upload div type for this logo div. Okay. Set CSS for logo. Image looking good. Dot logo class. After that image set crop to left, set width 100 pixels and height auto. After that, apply CSS for this main class. Set max width set to pixel and margin auto. It use the margin from the both side of the screen and it go to look. After that, view class. By default, this home is active. And right here class which its name is active. And this CSS for this active class. Set to background color set to white, color set to black. This menu is selected by default. After that, I will create one div for this title, website creator. Open HTML file, and after this div, create one div for header, for title. That class name is title, and one tag website creator. Closing data, and okay, this one tag is display. Just simply apply the CSS for that title class. This title class. Set position to absolute. I want to set this H1 tag to middle of the screen. That's why. And set top to 50%. Left also set to 50%. Set transform property translate 50%. H1 tag is adjusted in middle of the screen. After that, apply CSS for H1 tag. Set color of H1 tag is set to. After that, font size of H1 tag set to 70 pixels. Save it. Open browser. Font size and color is changed of H1 tag. Here I want to create overlay on this background image. For this, I use linear gradient property here. RGBA red, green, blue alpha set to 0.5. Again also BA set to 0.5. Overlay properties apply. After that, I want to add button like this. Simply open HTML file and after this div, take one div for button. Name of class is button. After that, anchor tag for button. Name of first button is watch video. And another button is learn more. Data. Okay. Button are displayed in browser. Just apply CSS for that button. Dot button plus CSS for that. Position set to not separate. Top set to 62%. Left 50%. Font property. Translate 50%. That's fine. After that, CSS property for BTM class and use here class of this button is btn, here also we plus btn. Border 1 pixel, solid CSS. Place the border for this button. After that, padding between the two buttons 10 pixel and 30 pixel. So it gives the padding between the two buttons. After that, set color fill as separated. I want to remove this underline. Use CSS property, text decoration, set to none. It removes the underline or any decoration of button to nil. After that, I want to add hover effect on this button like this. When mouse over on that button, then it changes the color. Button class hover effect set to background color change to white effect and color change to black. Okay, hover effect is applied. Okay, this website is created in HTML and CSS. It is very simple. Thanks for watching.